go ahead and learn how to do a pivot. A pivot with your right foot or your left foot, you're just going to bring it forward. At this point, we're going to do a forward with the right, and as you pivot to your left, you're going to have both front feet up, and you're just going to turn. Right foot goes forward, and you're going to turn to your left, and as you do that, you lift both heels up. You're going to step forward, turn, forward, turn. You could also do it with your left foot. You step forward, lift up your heels, and turn the opposite way. You step forward, turn, forward with the right, turn, forward, turn. And that is a pivot.